Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disabling power at the breaker and verifying the circuit is dead. This prevents shock and protects components. Once confirmed, unbox the halogen fixture and inspect the included transformer and wires so you know which conductors are live, neutral, and earth. Make sure the bulb wattage matches the transformer rating to avoid overheating. Prepare tools, screwdriver, wire nuts, tester, and tape so you don't interrupt wiring mid-process and risk misconnecting terminals. You now mount the bracket and route the house cables into the fixture's junction box. This secures the light and keeps connections accessible. Strip 1/2 inch of insulation, then twist and cap matching conductors. Live to live and neutral to neutral. The transformer's secondary, if present, goes to the lamp leads. Once done, attach the earth wire to the fixture ground lug so faults trip the breaker. Make sure connections are tight and that no bare copper is exposed before closing the box. You finish by seating the halogen bulb and fitting any trim or glass, making sure clips are secure to prevent heat buildup near wiring. Once assembled, restore power and observe the lamp for stable light output. Flicker or hum often indicates incorrect transformer type or loose connections, so turn off power before rechecking. If the lamp dims or trips, verify bulb wattage versus transformer rating and confirm polarity at all splices. Correct those and retest to ensure safe, lasting operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.